as a legitimate operation. They put that in writing as part of their defense as to whether or not the interim release should not be granted, or not, as to whether why the interim release for PRRD should not be granted. Yan po ang katotohanan, mga kababayan. Wag na wag po kayong maniniwala sa mga balibalita. There's not a single country has made an official position or statement with respect to whether they refused the interim release application or whether or not they agreed to be the host for PRRD para sa interim release nila. Wag na wag kayong maniwala sa mga news na pinapakalat. There seems to be an effort to show or to weaken the faith or motivations of people with respect sa ating willingness, ang ating longingness for PRRD parang pauwi na sa Pilipinas. Share this live para ma-aware yung mga kababayan natin ano yung mga pinagagawa nila para ma-weaken yung ating suporta. Hindi po dapat tayo matinag sa mga information na couldn't even be verifiable, mga kababayan. Let us keep our focus on the objective at hand. Let us put our mind and our heart and our soul and our hope and our faith to God and also to the judicial process. Don't worry po, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi I will also do my best to make sure that I will ask questions to the lead counsels should I be given an opportunity para po maklarify lahat-lahat ng mga pinagsasabi nila. Lalo na yung mga taong nagsasabi, even though they don't even have a real source as to saan ba nila nakuha yung information to confirm that the country already made a categorical statement na hindi po pwedeng, na hindi nila tinanggap ang request for interim release or for the countries to be the host for the interim release of PRRD. Yan po ang nakakasad para sa mga kababayan natin kasi ginagawa po tayong mangmang. Ang mga kababayan po natin ginagawang mangmang para kung anong nangyayari ngayon. Hindi, wag po tayong maniwala agad. Let us put our faith to the judicial process. Let us put our faith to our movement that we're trying to push forward. Magkaisa po tayo. Ipakita mo natin sa buong mundo na hindi po natin iiwanan ang taong nagbuwis sa kanyang buhay, most of his life, to public office para po ma-advance ang ating mga interest, most especially those who represent or those who he considers as his constituents. During his time, he did everything in his power to make sure that our country will be saved from being turned into a narco state. Mga kababayan, isipin po natin kung ano ang ginawa ni PRRD para sa ating bayan. It's not only for our bayan, but it is actually for the future generation. We should not forget the things that he has done, especially to fight against the oligarchs and the elites in order for us to benefit, the government to serve the people and not the elite or the oligarchs. Yan po ang pinaka-importanting ginawa ni PRRD. Ay huwag po tayong manahimik. Magsalita po tayo. If there are inconsistencies to the governance that has been shown by the current government, call out, speak up, comment. That is our right as a citizen. That is our right as Filipinos to ask questions, most especially if the existing powers in permeating our society is no longer working for the people. Yan po ang katotohanan, mga kababayan. Huwag na huwag po tayong matakot. Kasi karapatan po natin mag-ask ng question. Karapatan po natin na to clarify questions, especially if it's confusing, especially if hindi na po natin naiintindihan kung ano ang ginagawa nila para sa bayan. Yan po ang katotohanan. Let us not forget the bigger picture here. Para lang po sa information ng mga kababayan natin, let us not forget the bigger picture here. There's no country that has denied the interim release. Wala pang judgment yung interim release with respect to the court. Bakit sila ganon? Diba? Ulit-ulit na lang ba?